Hello viewers, welcome back to Yalnidhi channel. Today we are going to learn about a interesting trick, which is when a cell contains alpha and numerical letters, I just wanted to separate alphabets and I want to separate numerical numbers in separate cells. So here you can see this column contains the alphanumerical values, but here I have separated the alphabets in this column. Let us see how to do this. So you have to type the required letters from that cell. So here you can see that Raja 156 is here. I just wanted this Raja alone. What you have to do is just type that letters. Press enter. After that, select the cells which are all you need. Press Ctrl E. So you can see here the alphabets which are in first is converted here in this cells. But you see here I just wanted this alphabets in this cell, but the numerical values came here. So why? Because the alphabets should present in the front. Then only this Excel will convert, separate those things here. So we will do another thing. So I am just deleting this letters here. So now I wanted this numerical numbers in this cell. So I am typing 156. I'm enter. Then I am selecting the cells and I am pressing Ctrl E. You can see here these things is converted here, but this cells the arrangement is different. So the Excel converts this text here. Likewise, you can see in this cell, I am just deleting it. I am just typing 156 and pressing enter, selecting all the cells, and I press Ctrl E. So even though the special characters are present, the Excel will convert your requirement in this cell. So there is no need of using formula. You can see here I have not used any formulas here. I am just used Ctrl plus E. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Yalnidhi channel. Hit like, comment and share. Thank you.